next concept in organizing is delegation. Here manager cannot manage all the activities on his own. So the manager, he need to delegate authority to other persons in the organization. So delegation, it refers to, it is a downward transfer of authority from superior to elements of delegation. We have totally 3 elements in delegation. First elements of delegation is authority, second one is responsibility, third one is accountability. First element of delegation is authority. Authority is arising from the scalar chain. From scalar chain of the organization, only the authority is arising in the organization. Authority, person they have one right to take a decision in the business. From where that authority is starting means starting from top, from superior to the bottom to the subordinate, it is going in the organization. Authority flow, it goes from superior to the subordinate. That's why they said here it is a top to bottom in the organization. Who have authority in the organization means superior, they have authority is to control the subordinates. Second element of delegation is responsibility. Responsibility is the obligation of a subordinate to perform the assigned duty. Flow of responsibility, it goes to upward direction, that is subordinate is responsible to their superior. Third element of delegation is accountability. Accountability means being answerable to final outcome. Once authority is delegated and responsibility is accepted, we cannot deny accountability. Accountability flows, it goes in upward direction. Importance of delegation. First importance of delegation is effective management. Second one, employee development. Third one, motivation of employees. Fourth one, facilitation of growth. Fifth one, basis for management hierarchy. Sixth one, better coordination. First importance of delegation is effective management. Here managers are able to function more efficiently. Managers, they get more time to concentrate on important matters. They are getting more time to concentrate on important matters. Also, they are giving a freedom to the workers of doing a routine work. It provides opportunities to the workers to excel in new areas. Second importance of delegation is employee development. Here, organization providing more opportunities to the employees to utilize their skills, abilities and talents, etc. Organization making better leader and decision maker. Delegation, it helps to prepare better future managers. Third importance of delegation is motivation of employees. Delegation, it helps to develop the talents of the employees. Superiors, they are delegating the work to the subordinates. Whenever subordinates, they are taking responsibility for doing and completing the work, that responsibility, it builds self-esteem and confidence to the employees. Fourth importance of delegation is facilitation of growth. Delegation helps to the expansion of organization. Second point, trained and experienced employees playing an important role in launching new project. So it is easy to develop and set new branches. Fifth point, basis of management hierarchy. Delegation of authority establishes superior-subordinate relationship. That is base for management hierarchy. Degree and the flow of authority which determines who has to report to whom. The delegated authority also decides the power of each job in the organization. Sixth importance of delegation is a better coordination. It gives clarity in working relationship. That is the reason they are maintaining coordination in the organization. The element of delegation define power, duties, answerability that is related to various job position in the organization. In this delegation, overlapping of work, duplication of work is to be avoided.